Welcome to channel Reza Blade. I am your friendly neighborhood Reza. I am clearly in the middle of some nail art right here. And I am working on this mani, and I thought, you know what, this is one of the MoU London Halloween plates anyway that Beautometry sells. So I might as well just sort of keep working on what I'm working on. As you can see, it is a non-traditional colors as far as Halloween goes because it's got a gradient going on with some fuchsia added in there with the orange and the purple. Anyway, so this is a pinup mani that I'm working on from those MoU London Halloween plates. Love them. And then I don't know if you got a chance to see that vintage kind of apothecary vibe mani that I shared on the International Nail Art Society with Beautometry, that group. I shared it on there, I think. Anyway, I really do like that navy, pink, and ivory mani, and I'd love to know what you think of it too. Do please like, comment, and subscribe if you're checking this video out via YouTube. And today, I believe sometime today, I can't tell you exactly. Oop, I'm about to tell you, I'll show you my address again. Anyway, so today I will be doing a live unboxing of the October My Mani box. Very excited. This one's called Campfire Parties. What do we have in here? Oh my goodness, there are things. Speaking of unboxing, so do keep an eye out for that. Also, I have a giveaway results coming out today, so don't forget to look out for that video. If you were entering the giveaway for Embrace the Darkness 02, or Dark Side 02 from Hit the Bottle, that giveaway, I'm publishing the results today. I'm going to pick a winner and let them know through a video. And I do have an announcement to make while I show you our very last little thing here. One more gift. So tomorrow, don't forget, I am doing a full mani on that Halloween gnome plate, the Build-A-Gnome layering plate. So I will be working with that on actually Halloween itself on Monday, but today is Sunday in my world over here, and I'm going to open up this. So let's see if I need to. I do. I think I do need to cut it open just so that I don't fuss with it. I have an announcement to make. I don't know if this is going to get lost in the comments, but I am mostly, now if I've already made a commitment, I will keep it in November. But I'm taking November off to do National Novel Writing Month. I don't know how many of you know that I was a professional writer before I lost my job due to fibromyalgia. I worked for New Balance, and I was an e-commerce writer, and was really happy. Oh my goodness, we have a brush. It looks like an art brush. So, oh, I do know what this is. We actually got this in last year's box too. This is a very fancy wizard brush. This was designed like off of the Harry Potter wands. We actually do have a nail art brush that is a wand, and that is very exciting. So, I'm going to go ahead and use it maybe right here real quick. And that way I can justify continuing to work on my nail art. Because I feel like I'm so close to this. Actually, I'm going to give this away. I have one of these. So, I am going to put this back on. And I will use this as the giveaway video though. In the comments below, if you want this very fancy nail art wand, tell me if you could cast one spell one real life spell. It would work in real life. Just one spell. And that would be the only spell that would ever work. This is probably kind of like the superpowers question, right? So if you want this, you got to be in the U.S. I imagine that this should be very inexpensive to ship, I hope. Anyway, but if you want this, what spell would you cast? Now, if you do play D&D, it would be fun if you kept it kind of to those conventions. Or if you're really influenced by Harry Potter, you know, you can let me know. But I'm not so much about Harry Potter anymore now that J.K. Rowling has said some really cruel things publicly. Anyway, so this one I'm giving away in this video once it gets onto YouTube. And let me know what one spell you would cast if you could cast it. And you're going to want to leave that in the comments and not in the live video. So I'm going to set this aside in my very special giveaway place. This is so exciting. I love doing giveaways, and this is probably, I guess, maybe my 4th one? I don't know, in just this past month. So let's do that. And I'm going to keep kind of working if you want to hang out with me just for another couple of minutes here. I'll tell you what I'm working on. MoU London has these great Halloween plates. And I should probably tell you which Halloween plate this is from. But I have these set aside. All right, here we go. Here we go. This plate is number 17. This is one of the new Halloween collection MoU London ones. And if you see, they do have a couple of regular tile images, and then some various skull images and some fun spiderweb stuff. I'm going to steal the words from a different plate. I don't know exactly what it'll say. It might just be like a regular old trick-or-treat thing. But right now I'm working on her and... Uh-oh. I did not grab my other image. I need to do her too. So, I'm making these look as close to like me as possible. So they've got the red hair. This is sort of a wish fulfillment, Manny, right? Like I wish I looked like this, like 6 foot tall and wearing the coolest Halloween costume in the land. I'm gonna go ahead and get up just a little bit more close here. And I know that I'm using sort of a generic Maniology polish. I am looking for, I hope Hit the Bottle comes out with a, I don't know, like maybe I should use for the skin tone one of their, they have these like undercover polishes that I think I showed you this a couple of days ago where they sort of mask the bad parts or just the regular bits of the naked nail. And there's one that's like a sandy beige and one that's like got a rose undertone to it. And I could sort of adapt those to be skin tones. But generally speaking, I do prefer to use Hit the Bottle polishes, just in general, stamping polishes. So I wonder if I should, I don't know. Eventually, I hope that Michelle does some more skin tony stuff. I love Whiskey Latte. That's one of the stamping polishes that I use all the time. Let me grab that here so that I can really show you what that is. Whiskey Latte. One of my very favorite stamping polishes of all time. And you don't have to hang around. I am just doing just a bit more of this. I hope that I am coloring within the lines here. That's what's great about these clear stampers, is you can see if you're doing it in the lines. And I'm going to keep working on this long after you have all gone and are working on your own things. So yeah, I'm giving that brush away. What an exciting way to end the opening of things. And then tomorrow on Halloween itself, like I said, I'm going to be doing a full manicure with that gnome layering plate. Very exciting. All right. So do please leave a comment. Even if you're not entering, let me know what you think of this Mandy that I'm in the middle of, and let me know what you think of that awesome nail art wand. And I will see you later. Have an awesome day, and I hope that your Halloween is the best ever.